Okay, this one we got tossed noodles and beef. So we're kind of in this nice place. Also got something called jujube ice water and just some nice hot water as well. So just give you, this is called PUK. This is kind of the environment that we're in. We got lots of other people here. It's a nice small little place. And I'll enjoy this meal and then we'll go out and we'll kind of show you where we're at. It's nighttime, so it's about 11:30 at night. So anyways, let's come back later when this is finished. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so this is the name of the restaurant, PUK, since 1948. So we'll just kind of show you the outside of it, give you a little bit of a 360. Is down that way is the Skyway, Guimarães Avenue, and right here we're on a street called Bragança at nighttime. There's another kind of Hong Kong style over here, but this one was the soup one, and this is where we were at, right in here. Let me just kind of show you the menu real quick. So we got lots of different rice, stuff like that, fried noodles, more noodles, congee, signature dish, and special appetizers. So it's just kind of a small little place. It's about like that size. And so anyways, it's on Bragança, and what we're gonna do is just kind of give you a little context. So we're gonna walk to the nearest big road at nighttime, and end the video. So yeah, that was a really good soup. I should put it on a different setting at nighttime, but this is kind of a cool road. So this one is kind of these blue apartment buildings. I'll just come up here to the main one where the Skyway is at, and then we're gonna end the video. But yeah, one of the things I really liked about that soup is there's not a lot of meat and the prices are really low. And I like the fact there's not a lot of meat, because sometimes you don't want to have a big meal, just, you know, stuff yourself and try to digest for a couple hours. You know, it's like that one, you got like a nice beef flavor in the soup, you got your noodles. I'm no longer hungry, my cravings for food are finished for the night, and I can digest that fairly quickly and kind of get all that nutrients out of the soup as well. Plus you can also get high tea. So that's the name of that street that this is on, Rua de Bragança. And I did say that it's been around since 1942, was it, or 52? So that's been around for quite a long time, and I think that's probably one of many. And just so that people kind of have the reference, down there is you can see some hotels down this way and down this way. So that's actually that's the mainland China side over there, like way in the distance. But right here is, we're still in Macau, and in Taipa side that's Galaxy Casino directly down, and we are at the Skyways of Guimarães, and we're going to be ending it right about here to end our video. Actually, we might go up. Just do that, just to give you a little bit of context. This is called the Skyways right here, and I think the best reason I want to go up is so I can show you the street from up above. But yeah, that was a good little meal. Nice nighttime snack. And we're up at the Skyways in Guimarães Avenue in Taipa. So Taipa is the name of the place that we're at. And we're just gonna come down real quick. That goes down all the way down to basically the one side of Taipa. This goes all the way down to the train station. So I'm just gonna bring this and overlook the restaurant, probably both sides. of Bragança Street, then we're gonna end it. So yeah, there's a lot of really good soups and noodles, and one of the things I really like most about it is, you know, I feel pretty healthy after it. I don't really like eating, when I go back to the west, I eat some heavy meals and it takes forever to digest. The health of people isn't so good, and here I just kind of get my nutrients and kind of move on, be done with it. So that's Venetian right there, Venetian Casino. This is Bragança at night. There's a Korean place right there called Hongdae. I really like Korean food a lot, and that restaurant is sometimes recommended, but I always feel like they give foreigners really small portions. This is my personal opinion, and I always get really bad kimchi there too. As a person who lived in Korea, I just don't find that a very good restaurant, but there's a lot of Koreans there, so I kind of think that they kind of give the really good stuff to the Korean customers, and then maybe they give like some pretty decent stuff to Chinese or Asian, but when it comes to foreigners, they kind of act like you don't really know anything, and you don't know what good Korean food is, so they seem like they just kind of give you like small portions and kind of like bad quality. That's my time every time I've ever been there. So I've only been there like maybe 6 or 7 times in 10 years, but I love Korean food. I just don't go to that particular one very often. But anyways, that's our restaurant right there. Not too far, right next to it is that blue one. That one has some really cool signs. I usually film it when I go down, and it's kind of more of a Hong Kong marketing style restaurant. It's pretty good too. Way down there is School of Nations, and you can see a little mountain. That's Taipa Pequeño. Here's a couple mountains. They call them Taipa Grande and Taipa Pequeño. Big mountain, small mountain. But if you can see it in the distance here, it's pretty good size. And I love that blue building. Anyways, we're gonna end it there. And that was our little noodle shop. And that's the end of this one. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.